Can you imagine a world where artificial intelligence surpasses human intelligence? Where machines learn to think, create, and innovate on their own? Welcome to 2024, a year of astonishing AI breakthroughs. Just think about it. We've seen AI evolve at an unprecedented pace, transforming every corner of our lives. Now, the stage is set for a new era of discovery, an era that promises to be more exciting than anything we've seen before. Fasten your seatbelt as we take you on a journey through the 10 most groundbreaking AI breakthroughs of 2024. 2024 has proven to be a year of immense progress and innovation in the field of AI, showcasing breakthroughs that were once only imagined in science fiction. Starting at number 10, we have the development of AI algorithms capable of composing original music. These AI models, with their ability to learn and understand musical theory, are transforming the creative industry and bringing a new dimension to the world of music. Next up at number 9 is the advancement in AI-powered predictive healthcare. By analyzing patterns in a patient's health data, these AI systems can accurately predict potential health risks and diseases, revolutionizing the way we approach healthcare. At number 8, we have the breakthrough in AI-enabled climate modeling. These models can predict climate changes with unprecedented accuracy, aiding our efforts in mitigating the effects of climate change. Coming in at number 7, we see the rise of AI in quantum computing. The integration of AI with quantum technology has significantly improved computational speed and efficiency, opening up new possibilities in data processing and analysis. Number 6 brings us AI in space exploration. AI systems are now aiding in the discovery of new galaxies and celestial bodies, accelerating our understanding of the universe. Halfway through at number 5, we've seen the introduction of AI in judicial systems. AI algorithms are now assisting in legal case analysis, improving efficiency and accuracy in the delivery of justice. At number 4, we have AI in autonomous vehicles. Innovations in AI technology have made self-driving cars safer and more reliable, paving the way for a future of autonomous transportation. In the third spot, we have AI in personalized education. AI systems are now capable of tailoring educational content to individual learning styles, revolutionizing the learning process. Coming in at number 2, we have AI in advanced robotics. Robots equipped with AI can now perform complex tasks with human-like precision and efficiency. And finally, at number 1, is the breakthrough in AI consciousness. For the first time, we have AI systems displaying signs of self-awareness and independent thought. These breakthroughs are not just milestones in AI development, they are shaping our future in ways we could never have imagined. As we marvel at these AI breakthroughs, one can't help but wonder, what does the future hold for artificial intelligence? Imagine a world where healthcare is personalized, communication is instant, and transportation is autonomous. These breakthroughs we've discussed today are just the tip of the iceberg. They're shaping a future where AI is integrated into every facet of our lives. As we step into this brave new world, we can only speculate about what incredible breakthroughs await us in the future. One thing is certain though, the age of AI has just begun.